Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, today we're going to be doing a bit of a tool review. Now we've got the Metabo ASR 35 ACP to give a bit of a run out, and also we've got the MFE 40 Metabo wall chaser. Now I absolutely love this. Now I've had this now for probably a week, something like that, to have a bit of a try out with it, and it's absolutely brilliant. I mean, don't get me wrong, don't buy this and expect it to be perfectly dust free, but it's absolutely bang on. So like I say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit the link in the corner and let's get through it. Right, so what we have here, what's come is this little beauty. Now like I say, we've had this for about a week. Now I wanted to actually have a go with it before I went ahead and said, yeah, it's great, straight out the box, because I wanted to give it an honest opinion of it. If it was, you know, brilliant, or equally if it was rubbish, I will be telling you, to be honest, because I just prefer to do it that way, because there's no point in saying, yeah, this thing's amazing, if it's actually not. Now, Steve was using it, he's actually used it a lot more than me last week, and it is a brilliant bit of kit. Now, some of the things that I would say about it is that, because we've got the Festool Dust Extractor, and we've got the Festool like chaser as such, but what we found with that, we could only do one line. So where you've got your chase here, for example, so it's all marked out, so you'd have to do 2 passes, and then you'd still have to chase out the centre. So it kind of defeated the object a little bit with that. So what we've done, obviously we thought, well, do you know what? We need to try this. So we actually purchased this from FFX Tools online. So they were actually brilliant, to be honest. We got that next day, I think it was, which was brilliant, to be honest, because they had low stock, but we actually got it next day. So what we'll do, we'll get you set up and I'll go through the chase, and then I'll catch up with you once we've done that. Right, so channels are all done on here. I just ripped round and did these 3 here. Right, on this chaser, it's absolutely brilliant. Really happy with it. So this plaster here is all loose, it's not very good. So it's still nice and neat. Now, it'll only get to sort of here, and then you just chase the last bit off. But you can tell the difference. If you did that all the way down, the likelihood it will smash loads of pieces out. So on here, just because I've got more cables in, all I did is just run the chaser another line straight through. Now the Dust Extractor, like I said, it's not perfect, and you will end up with some mess like this on the floor. So it's not crazy, but I don't know whether you can see that properly, but there's some, you know, pieces like that are flying off. So I'd highly recommend that you wear your glasses, because at the end of the day, I don't care what anyone says, there's nothing sexy about a one-eyed pirate. So I would definitely wear glasses, because they do ping off. Also ear defenders, because it just makes life a lot easier. But yeah, so what we got on here, they do different blades on it. We've got the triple blade and it just does it all in one then. So you can get the, I think that comes with 2 blades, and also you can put singles in, and then you just put the appropriate spacers in, and then you've got your depth setting. Now this will go down to 40mm chasing out, which is brilliant. So depending on what material you're putting in, whether it's for plumbers putting in their pipes, like I say, sparkies like me, but overall massively impressed with that. I will do a side by side. We'll have a race, I think, with the Festool at some stage. We'll get them both out. We'll have a bit of a race. But yeah, so like I say, thanks for FFX for sorting me out with this. Like I say, I have paid for it, so it's not that it's been given to me. So, but the service has been brilliant. So yes, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, like I say, smash the link in the corner, and I shall catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.